Say what you wanna say.
I'm excited to present an immaculate renovation filled with charm, character and elegance. I'm Dan De Silva and welcome to 15 Binara Court, Carseldine. Let's check this one out.
Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, 'cause we're golden.
As you enter the home, you'll be welcomed by soaring ceilings through the living area, contributing to the sense of space and allowing ample light to flood the open plan family areas.
See us shine, 'cause we're golden. They can never break us down, 'cause we're golden.
This house sits in an extremely convenient location, walking distance to the Carseldine farmers markets, the Carseldine train station, and a short drive to Carseldine Centro. This home is packed with features, with 4 generous sized bedrooms, 2 bathrooms,
Say I won't go back.
multiple living areas, and a great indoor-outdoor flow. You'll have no problem making this your home.
What it really means to live like golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine.
As you can see, a quality renovation like this will not last long. So if you have any questions or would like to arrange an inspection, feel free to give me a call. Cheers.